Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the brand new Google Home speaker. This is the latest addition to the Google Home family and it's packed with some amazing features. So let's dive in and see what it's all about. The setup process for the Google Home speaker is super quick. From unboxing to getting linked to my Wi-Fi, it was less than 10 minutes before I could start chatting with the new home speaker. The design and build of the Google Home speaker is really nice. It has a soft touch fabric finish and it comes in a few different colors, although I am a bit disappointed that the fun colors are only available in the United States. The specs and performance of the Google Home speaker are also really impressive. It has a 58mm full range driver, which is a big step up over the 40mm driver on the Nest Mini, and it sounds really great. One of the new features of the Google Home speaker is the base glow, which feels much more futuristic than the old 4-dot lights, and it's really useful for seeing when the speaker is thinking or responding. There have been some rumors and leaks about the Google Home speaker, but now that it's finally here, we can see that it's lived up to the hype. The expected release date and price of the Google Home speaker are still a bit unclear, but we'll be sure to keep you updated as more information becomes available. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Google Home speaker. It's a great addition to the Google Home family and it's definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.